Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about a PHP CodeIgniter. CodeIgniter is a lightweight, open source PHP framework, easy to build in web application quickly and efficiently. It follows the MEC structure, that means model, view and controller architecture, which separate business logic, data handling and presentation. The key features of CodeIgniter: fast and lightweight, and MEC architecture. Okay, MEC architecture, and easy configuration, and built-in security. That means XSS and CSRF protection, and clean and simple syntax. Okay, syntax. And today we will discuss about PHP code operations. That means create, read and update, insert the data, fetch the data, modify the data and remove the data. Okay, first we will go to the Google and CodeIgniter download. Okay, in this to download button, so download started. Yes, download successfully completed. Now we'll go to the download folder and extract the same place. Okay, and change the project folder name. So cut this one, cut to C drive, XAMPP, htdocs and paste project. Okay, first you create the database name. Go to start the XAMPP server and go to phpMyAdmin and create the database project, project project. Okay, in this to create one table, create okay, create table users. Okay, and ID is equal to integer auto increment primary key, and name varchar 100, email varchar 100. Okay, just save. Go. Table creation successfully completed. Now to configuration settings, ID, name, email. Okay, and go to XAMPP server, htdocs, project. Okay, first we will check localhost project. Yes, CodeIgniter. Okay. Now to go to the CodeIgniter project, application, configuration, database name. In this, go to the database name. Host name is server, username is root, and password is empty. Database name is project. Save. Okay. Now the next setting it is auto load. Auto load. Okay. Libraries. Database, email and sessions. Okay. Next helper. URL and file. Save. Okay. And next setting, configuration. Okay. Configuration to set a base URL. Okay. Just localhost base URL. Okay. And to remove the index.php. Save. And to create the .ht access file. Yes, in this place. .ht access file. Okay. This one. .ht access file. Okay. Okay. C drive, XAMPP, htdocs, and the previous. Yes. My project .ht access file. Just check this one. Okay. Yes. Now, okay, to check. Okay, everything it is okay. Now we'll write one first of all model, user.model. To open this folder in VS Code Editor, just yes. Okay. Yes. Now we'll check application, go to model. In this model, to create one model, user dot user underline model dot php. Okay. In this, to write one class user underline model, always use capital model extends CA model. Okay. save. Before that, PHP open tag. Now to write the functions, public function get underline all. Okay, yes, this one is the first function. And next, public function insert the data, insert the dollar data parameter. Okay, yes, next, public function get by id, get by id and dollar id. Okay, okay, and next, we'll write public function update, same dollar id comma dollar data. Next, delete data, public function delete dollar id. Okay, yes, now we'll write the code. Get all, insert the data, update data, delete data and get id. Okay, first we will write get all, return dollar this means current, db dot get dollar users. Okay, and result. Okay, and next, insert the data, same return dollar this db insert users. Okay, insert users dollar data. Okay, next, return dollar same dollar this db same get where and users. Okay, here to pass associate array id dollar id. Okay, and dollar row and row is a function. Okay, and next, to update the return dollar this db same where id dollar id. Okay, and now same update users dollar data. Okay, and now to delete, same return dollar this db delete. Okay, dollar users and to pass the array id, same arrow function $id. Yes, save. Now to write the controller, and yes, controller, new users dot php. Yes, now same PHP code. Okay, class users extends ci underline controller. Okay, in this same public function construct. Okay, now construct, that means a double underline. Okay, in this parent double underline construct. This one is the magic function. Same dollar this load model, that means to load the model. Okay, next we will go to the index file, index function, public function index. Okay, in this okay, and all right later, and same public function create function, and same public function store. Okay, and same public function edit, that means $id. Okay, and same public function update. Okay, same. Now to delete, public function delete. Okay, oh, there is something error. Delete. Now okay, in the delete same $id. Okay, now we'll write one by one. First index $data users means, that means table users is equal to dollar this user underline model get all. Okay, and next dollar this load view and users list dollar data. So we'll create to users underline list file later. And next to create, okay, to create dollar this load view user underline form. That means we'll create later user underline form dot PHP file. And next okay, to store dollar data is equal to, okay, one array name and dollar this input means the default function post dollar name. Now same email, okay, dollar this input same post and email. Okay, now dollar this user underline model insert data dollar data. Okay, next redirect, after that redirect to, redirect is the function same. Next dollar edit same dollar data user okay, and dollar this user underline model same get by id dollar id. Okay, next dollar this load view user underline edit. We'll create later this file dollar data. Okay, now to update, okay, same dollar data is equal to array function same dollar name dollar this input, okay, post dollar name same email dollar this input post email. Okay, now same dollar this user underline model update dollar id dollar data. Okay, same redirected to dollar users. Okay, now to delete same dollar this user underline model and delete is the default function id. Now same redirect users. Okay, save. Now we'll create a users.php. There is some error. Where it is error? Public underline construct function. Construct CONSTRUCT construct. Yes. Name $data name $this input post name. It is only comma required in this place. Okay, yes. Now we'll write a view folder. Okay, go to the view folder and to create the file users underline list.php. Okay, in this same document file. Okay, this one no need, this two no need, and the title is equal to users list card. Okay, and my project name is project card. Okay, now tag project card. Okay, and VR tag, anchor tag. In this place to dynamic add in this place less than question mark is equal to base URL users create. Okay, PHP close the tab. We can write a PHP like this also. Add new. Now on BR tag to create the table. In this table border is equal to 1. Okay, cell padding is equal to 5. Cell padding is equal to 5. Now tr, in this tr heading th id, again th name, again th email, again th action. Okay, now will fetch the data dynamically. PHP closing starting tag and closing tag. Okay. For each to fetch the data $users as $row. Okay. Close the PHP tag and tr is equal to and in this okay, in this td and question mark is equal to $row id same to fetch the data dynamically. Same name email okay. Again td in this two anchor tags same is equal to base URL okay, users edit okay, and $row id okay. Now to close the PHP tag edit okay. Now the same delete hr is equal to same less than question mark is equal to base URL same users delete okay. Now same $row id okay, and then to close the PHP tag okay, and then here on click this one the function on click is equal to return confirm delete. This one is the function okay. This one is the function on click yes. To delete okay. Now to close the td okay, and close the tr okay, and now to PHP to end for each okay. Save and close the table and body and the HTML yes. Now to add the data, that means again user underline form dot php to add the data. In this same document file is required and same title, add user. Okay, and in this heading is add user. Okay, now to form tag action. No need action. Action is required. Action is dynamically required. Okay, question mark is equal to base URL. Okay, same users store. Okay, and close the PHP tag, and method is equal to post is equal to post. Okay, and inside the form tag there is two columns, name, input is equal to same, text, name is equal to name, name is equal to name, and required. Okay, and two BR tags, same email, input is equal to email, same name is equal to email, and required. Okay, same two BR tags. Now to button is equal to save, and button type is equal to submit. Okay, now to close the form tag, to close the body, to close the HTML. Now another file is required, user underline edit dot php. In this same, and title is equal to edit data, edit user, and same h2 edit user. Okay, in this same form tag, action is equal to same PHP tag, base URL users, update. Okay, users update dot $user ID. Okay, now to close the PHP, and the method is equal to post, same method is equal to and now to insert the form, same name is equal to input, type is equal to text same, and name is equal to name, value is equal to here to fetch the data dynamically. Okay, $user $name. Okay, now to close the PHP tag and close the commas. Now same, okay, and same required, okay, same br tag, same email also the same like this. Input time is equal to email and name is equal to email, value is equal to same dynamically PHP base URL, okay, PHP base, not base URL, in this place $user email, okay, and close the PHP required, okay, same to br tags. Now write button, same update, type is equal to submit, okay, same close the form tag and close the body tag, close the HTML tag, okay. Now to set the root, yes, in the root we'll mention this one, same like this, default controller is equal to $users. Now we'll check, yes, undefined, undefined function get all, line number 6, user underline model, we'll check, user underline model, yes, in this return, okay, dollar underline this, okay, $db, okay, in this place, okay. Now we'll check, yes, to add the data, okay, localhost project, okay, empty, okay, to HT access, yes, to go to the folder, in this control new and to search the CodeIgniter ht access file, yes, now we'll write copy .ht access, save, to C drive, XAMPP, htdocs project. In this .htaccess file. Yes. Now to stop the server, start the server. Now we'll check. To save this one, users also save. All files are saved. I will check. Yes. Now to add the data, Ravi Verma mail to save the data. Insert here also line number 20 users dot php. Line number 20. Yes. Okay. This line number 20 store the data. Yes. Okay. Save. Now we'll check. Yes. To add additional Srinivas.text, save. And to add additional one, kiran.gmail.com, save. Yet edit Kiran123. Okay. And delete. Yes, to delete the button. Okay. It is working fine. Create, read and update. That means insert data, fetch the data, modify the data, remove the data. Thank you.